Pi network has been a hot topic that has evolved over time, with millions of active users and huge community engagement. We'll talk about if it will launch, whether the Pi currency is real or false, and whether it is useful. Please smash that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Enable your notification to keep receiving updates in real time whenever we post video. The Pi network has been focusing on technological breakthroughs ever since its major net migration got underway on August 3, 2022. Pi is at a critical juncture in the development of the enclosed mainnet, according to its most recent statement, where it is able to focus on two key objectives: facilitating mass KYC and empowering ecosystem utilities. Both are essential stages toward our objective of building a useful ecosystem in advance of the open mainnet. And so far, the last stage of making the mainnet accessible to everyone is proceeding according to plan. A timeline for launching the open mainnet has not yet been established. A blockchain protocol is said to be on the mainnet when it has been fully created and communicated, denoting that cryptocurrency exchanges are being communicated, validated, and recorded on a decentralized ecosystem. The mainnet carries out actual organizational exchanges that are recorded on the blockchain and are referred to as the final output made available to the broader public. A blockchain projects team will typically plan an initial exchange offering eco before the main network is deployed. Following issue corrections, the models of blockchain networks created using the assets are tested. The team will deliver a modified version of the blockchain mainnet during the testnet phase that is completely conveyed and functional. This will rely on how well the test network functions. The Pi network's mainnet is still being developed. The protocol method must therefore come from a coin that has proactively built up the primary net. Pi picked the SCP that Stellar Lumen and Ripple have, which is important since it indicates that Pi will never again develop into a token but rather a coin, and that when it enters the market, it will have its own worth and benefit considerably. There is a rumor that once the mainnet is finished, mining will end. One of numerous upgrades announced is the new testnet ecosystem interface, which incorporates testnet applications on the mobile mining blockchain. The cycle is operating excellently, and Pi network is currently making more progress than was anticipated on the mainnet alone. The functionality allows pioneers to see what the mainnet environment would look like. The Pi network testnet ecosystem is contained in the Pi browser application, which was developed by the PiCur team on Pi Day 2023. Pioneers, on the other hand, will make use of the capability to research and leave comments on their favorite shows with premium services. The PiCur team's decision will ensure that trailblazers are involved in the development of useful applications for the decentralized finance system. Ecosystem ambassadors will receive Pi in exchange for effectively integrating successful Pi apps into the mobile mining ecosystem. The statement states that an ecosystem ambassador's responsibility is to locate and solicit builders to create Pi applications. The Ecosystem Ambassador Program is a new initiative that rewards developers while paying innovators in Pi currencies. Users who aren't familiar with software development and product development can now contribute to the Pi ecosystem thanks to the innovation. As was stated in the introduction, the Pi network is still in its closed mainnet stage, during which time transactions through exchanges are not allowed. When the Pi network ultimately launch its open mainnet to the public, we think the Pi coin will have genuine worth. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments in the space below. I'll do my best to respond to them as quickly as I can. Please subscribe to my channel in the meantime to help support us and to remain updated with additional contents.